The world of luxury leather is often imagined through the familiar textures of cowhide or the exotic appeal of alligator skin. But today, we are diving into something far more extraordinary: stingray leather. These fascinating sea creatures, with their unique textures and resilient surfaces, transform into high-end wallets, belts, and accessories that exude sophistication. Welcome to our journey inside the Stingray Leather Factory, where long-bodied aquatic marvels are carefully converted into exclusive fashion statements. From the moment the stingrays arrive at the facility to the intricate finishing touches on each wallet, every step tells a story of precision, skill, and dedication. Imagine the glint of the tiny, bead-like nodules on a stingray hide, each one meticulously preserved and enhanced through the factory's time-honored processes, producing a product that is both durable and luxurious. This is not just manufacturing, it's craftsmanship elevated to an art form. As we walk through the echoing halls of the factory, you'll witness raw marine elegance gradually transformed into tangible sophistication. Every workstation is a testament to human ingenuity and respect for the materials, balancing traditional techniques with modern technology to bring out the stingray leather's natural brilliance. And while the process is technical, the story is deeply engaging, as each hide carries a tale of oceanic origin, careful handling, and ultimate metamorphosis into fashion. Excellence. Before we embark further, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever encountered stingray leather products, or are you discovering them for the first time? Drop your comments below, smash that like button if you're intrigued, and don't forget to subscribe to follow along this luxurious journey into the heart of stingray leather production. Your engagement fuels our exploration of these hidden worlds, bringing you closer to the remarkable artistry behind every stitch and polish. The journey of stingray leather begins far from the bustling factory floors, deep in coastal waters where these remarkable creatures dwell. Stingrays are harvested under strict regulations, ensuring sustainability and respect for marine ecosystems. Once carefully captured, each stingray is evaluated for its size, health, and quality of skin, as only the finest hides will undergo the meticulous transformation into luxury products. Transporting these delicate hides from the sea to the factory requires precision. The stingrays are handled with care to preserve the integrity of their unique textures, which are critical to the final product. During transit, temperature-controlled conditions and protective packaging prevent any deterioration, maintaining the hide's natural strength and pattern. Upon arrival at the factory, each hide undergoes a rigorous inspection to classify its grade, ensuring that only top-quality skins enter the production line. The nodules, characteristic of stingray leather, must be intact and uniformly distributed, as they contribute not only to the aesthetic appeal, but also to the durability that makes stingray leather a premium material. This initial phase sets the foundation for every subsequent step. The origin of the leather defines its potential to become a sophisticated wallet, belt, or accessory. Even minor imperfections or mishandling at this stage can compromise the luxurious finish that discerning customers expect. The factory's early-stage processing highlights the harmony between nature and human expertise, respecting the innate qualities of the stingray while preparing it for transformation. Every step is informed by knowledge accumulated over years of experience, blending traditional understanding with modern preservation techniques. This careful attention to origin, handling, and classification ensures that the stingray's journey from ocean to artisan product is both ethical and efficient, setting the stage for the complex processes of cleaning, tanning, and coloring that will soon follow. The connection between the sea and the final luxury product becomes evident, illustrating the extraordinary journey that begins long before the first cut or stitch is made. Once the stingray hides arrive at the factory and pass the initial inspection, they enter the critical phase of preparation. This step lays the groundwork for every detail that will define the final product's elegance and durability. First, the hides are carefully cleaned to remove any residual salts, scales, or organic matter. This cleaning process is meticulous, requiring skilled hands to ensure that the natural nodules and underlying skin structure remain intact. Following the wash, the hides undergo evisceration and trimming, a precise process where excess tissue and irregular edges are removed. Maintaining the integrity of the hide is crucial. Even minor damage at this stage can compromise the leather's texture and longevity. Preservation is the next priority. The hides are treated with specialized solutions to prevent drying, bacterial growth, or any degradation during storage and further processing. The factory employs a combination of traditional marine preservation knowledge and modern chemical techniques to ensure that the Stingray leather retains its natural sheen and strength. Temperature and humidity control are monitored meticulously, providing optimal conditions for the hide to rest before the transformative process of tanning begins. This stage is where the raw potential of the Stingray skin becomes apparent. The tiny bead-like nodules, known as pearls, glimmer subtly under the light, hinting at the luxurious surface that will eventually adorn high-end wallets. Workers handle each piece with expert care, balancing efficiency with respect for the natural characteristics of the leather. This preparation phase is not only about cleaning and preserving, but also about honoring the material's inherent qualities, setting the tone for the factory's commitment to craftsmanship. Every detail is deliberate, every movement precise, because the journey from raw hide to refined wallet begins here. The hides are now ready to enter the next phase, where chemical transformation and artistry will elevate them into the sophisticated leather products that define the Stingray leather industry. The tanning process is where raw Stingray hides undergo a profound transformation, shifting from delicate marine skin into a durable, luxurious material ready for high-end accessories. This stage is critical, requiring a precise combination of chemistry and craftsmanship. The hides are first soaked in specialized solutions that open up the collagen fibers, allowing the tanning agents to penetrate deeply and stabilize the material. Unlike traditional leathers, Stingray hides require unique techniques to maintain the natural nodules, which are the hallmark of their signature texture. Skilled technicians continuously monitor the process, adjusting pH levels, temperatures, and soaking times to ensure uniformity across every piece. The tanning agents themselves are carefully formulated to enhance flexibility, water resistance, and longevity without compromising the distinctive pearly surface. During this meticulous process, the hides gradually adopt a subtle sheen, their fibers reinforced while maintaining suppleness, a delicate balance that takes years of experience to perfect. The result is a leather that is not only tough but also elegantly textured, ready to be dyed and finished into one-of-a-kind wallets. This step is where science and artistry intersect, demonstrating how a raw, aquatic hide transforms into a material worthy of the world's most discerning clientele. Every piece is treated individually, reflecting the factory's dedication to quality and the painstaking care required to preserve the Stingray's natural beauty. It is fascinating to see how chemistry, patience, and skilled hands converge to create a surface that will soon be shaped into luxury items. As you imagine this transformation, consider the expertise behind every decision. From the length of immersion to the exact composition of tanning solutions, each choice impacts the final texture, sheen, and durability of the leather. If you're curious about how this alchemy works or have seen Stingray leather products yourself, share your thoughts in the comments below. The discussion helps reveal the hidden artistry behind these extraordinary materials. After the tanning process, the Stingray hides are ready for the delicate stage of dyeing and finishing, where the leather's aesthetic potential is fully realized. The factory employs a combination of traditional techniques and modern innovations to bring out vibrant, lasting colors without compromising the hide's natural texture. Each hide is carefully immersed in dye solutions, allowing pigments to penetrate evenly while preserving the unique nodules that give Stingray leather its signature look. Multiple layers of color may be applied, with intermediate drying periods to ensure a deep, consistent tone that enhances the pearlescent surface. Skilled artisans monitor the process closely, adjusting dye concentration and application methods to achieve a perfect balance between brilliance and subtlety. Once dyed, the hides undergo finishing treatments designed to enhance luster, softness, and resistance. To wear, specialized coatings are applied, often in multiple stages, to protect the surface from scratches, moisture, and environmental stress while accentuating the natural shimmer of the Stingray's nodules. Some hides receive additional texture refinement, where artisans lightly buff or polish the surface to create an even more sophisticated feel. These finishing touches are not only about appearance, they reinforce the leather's structure, ensuring the durability expected in luxury wallets and accessories. Every decision during this stage reflects a commitment to quality. From the selection of pigments to the techniques of application, each step transforms the hide into a material that feels as premium as it looks. The combination of color, texture, and finish turns each piece into a unique canvas, a testament to both the Stingray's natural beauty and the craftsman's meticulous attention to detail. This phase bridges raw material and tangible product, preparing the leather for the precise cutting and assembly that will eventually result in a wallet worthy of the most discerning clientele. The journey from ocean to artisanal product continues to unfold, each stage a crucial step toward creating a truly exceptional luxury item. Once the Stingray hides have been tanned, dyed, and finished, they enter the precise phase of cutting and shaping. This step is crucial in transforming the raw leather into components ready for luxury wallets. Craftsmen begin by examining each hide closely, identifying the most aesthetically pleasing sections for different parts of the wallet. The natural nodules are taken into account, ensuring the final product displays a harmonious pattern that enhances its visual appeal. Using specialized cutting tools, artisans carefully slice the leather according to meticulously designed templates, minimizing waste while maximizing the utility of each hide. Precision is paramount. Even the slightest misalignment can affect the symmetry and quality of the finished product. During this stage, the leather also undergoes shaping, where edges are smoothed and contours refined to facilitate seamless assembly later. The factory employs both manual techniques and advanced machinery, striking a balance between traditional craftsmanship and modern efficiency. Workers handle each piece gently, as Stingray leather, while durable, requires careful manipulation to maintain the integrity of its nodules and structure. The result is a series of perfectly prepared components, each tailored for a specific section of the wallet, from the outer cover to inner compartments. This phase highlights the fusion of artistry and engineering, where knowledge of material behavior and design requirements converge to create pieces that are not only functional, but visually striking. The cut and shaped leather is now poised to enter the assembly phase, where stitching and detailing will bring the wallet to life. Every line, every curve, and every carefully measured edge lays the groundwork for a final product that embodies sophistication, durability, and elegance. The meticulous preparation ensures that when the components meet in the hands of skilled artisans, the resulting wallet is a seamless fusion of nature's beauty and human ingenuity, continuing the journey from ocean to luxury. After the cutting and shaping process, the Stingray leather components move to the assembly stage, where meticulous stitching and craftsmanship bring the wallet to life. Each piece is carefully aligned, ensuring that the nodules and natural textures of the leather complement the overall design. Skilled artisans use precision stitching techniques, combining strong yet discreet threads to create seams that are both durable and visually seamless. The process requires immense patience, as even the smallest misalignment could compromise the wallet's luxurious finish. Throughout assembly, attention to detail is paramount. Edges are folded and reinforced, pockets are integrated flawlessly, and every component is examined repeatedly to guarantee perfection. The tactile experience is just as important as the visual appeal. Artisans ensure that each fold, stitch, and seam contributes to a wallet that feels as refined as it looks. Some wallets feature additional decorative elements, like embossed logos or accent stitching, which are applied with careful precision to enhance elegance without overpowering the natural beauty of the Stingray leather. During this stage, the factory's dedication to craftsmanship becomes evident, as traditional techniques meet modern tools to produce pieces that are truly exceptional. The combination of human skill and quality materials ensures that each wallet is not just an accessory, but a statement of sophistication and luxury. As the wallets take shape, it's fascinating to witness how raw hides from the ocean are transformed into functional art, reflecting the harmony between nature and artisanal mastery. If you're intrigued by the intricate processes behind luxury Stingray leather products, leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your curiosity fuels our exploration of these hidden manufacturing worlds. Once the Stingray leather wallets are assembled, they proceed to the rigorous quality inspection stage, where every detail is scrutinized to ensure perfection. Skilled inspectors examine the wallets under controlled lighting, assessing the evenness of stitching, the alignment of the leather nodules, and the smoothness of edges. Each seam is tested for strength, while pockets and compartments are checked for functionality and precision. Beyond visual inspection, tactile evaluation is performed. Inspectors feel the leather to ensure suppleness, consistency, and durability, confirming that every wallet meets the high standards expected of luxury products. This phase is critical, because even minor imperfections can compromise both aesthetics and longevity. Any discrepancies are carefully addressed, whether through subtle corrections or, in rare cases, removing the piece from production. The factory employs specialized tools and magnification devices to detect subtle flaws that might escape the naked eye, reflecting the meticulous attention to detail inherent in artisanal leather craftsmanship. Documentation is maintained for each batch, allowing traceability and accountability throughout production. This system ensures that every wallet leaving the factory embodies both excellence and reliability. Beyond technical evaluation, this stage emphasizes the factory's philosophy: respect for material, mastery of technique, and unwavering dedication to quality. It bridges the gap between skilled craftsmanship and consumer experience, ensuring that the tactile beauty, structural integrity, and visual elegance of each wallet exceed expectations. By the end of inspection, only products that meet stringent criteria proceed to the final finishing stages, poised to enter the luxury market. This rigorous scrutiny guarantees that the Stingray leather's natural beauty is complemented by flawless craftsmanship, maintaining the factory's reputation as a leader in high-end leather goods. The finalization stage is where Stingray leather wallets truly achieve their luxurious identity. After passing quality inspection, each wallet undergoes a series of specialized finishing processes that enhance both appearance and functionality. The edges of the leather are meticulously polished, often using waxes and gentle buffing techniques to create smooth, uniform borders that are pleasant to touch and visually striking. Some wallets receive subtle embossing, logos, or delicate engraving, adding a signature element without overshadowing the natural pearly texture of the Stingray hide. Artisans carefully apply conditioning treatments, ensuring the leather maintains its softness, suppleness, and resistance to wear over time. These treatments penetrate deep into the fibers, reinforcing durability while highlighting the unique nodules that distinguish Stingray leather from any other material. Color refinement may also occur at this stage, with hand-applied touches that correct minor inconsistencies and enhance the depth of the dye. Every adjustment is performed with precision, reflecting the artisan's intimate knowledge of the material and its response to handling. The process is a careful choreography of technique and intuition. One wrong move could compromise the subtle shimmer that makes Stingray leather so coveted. Even the stitching is reviewed again, with slight adjustments if needed, ensuring that each seam contributes to both strength and aesthetic elegance. Finally, wallets are conditioned, polished, and inspected one last time before packaging, guaranteeing a product that combines tactile luxury with visual sophistication. By the end of this stage, the Stingray leather has completed its remarkable journey from ocean to opulent accessory. Each wallet now embodies the harmony of natural beauty, human skill, and painstaking attention to detail, ready to delight customers who value exclusivity and craftsmanship. The transformation from raw hide to a high-end luxury item is complete. Yet the story of the material's oceanic origins and artisanal journey continues to resonate with every touch and glance, setting the stage for the final presentation and connection with the consumer. As the Stingray leather wallets reach their final stage, ready to be packaged and delivered, it's remarkable to reflect on the extraordinary journey each piece has undertaken. From the moment the Stingrays are sustainably sourced in coastal waters, through meticulous cleaning, tanning, dyeing, cutting, stitching, and finishing, the transformation from raw marine hide to a luxurious accessory is nothing short of astonishing. Each wallet embodies an intersection of nature's unique design and human craftsmanship, showcasing durability, elegance, and exclusivity. The pearl-like nodules, the rich colors, and the flawless stitching all tell a story of patience, skill, and attention to detail. By understanding this process, we gain a deeper appreciation not just for the final product, but for the care and expertise required at every step to maintain the Stingray leather's inherent beauty. This is what sets these wallets apart in the luxury market, a combination of sustainability, artistry, and unparalleled quality. If you've enjoyed witnessing the incredible journey from ocean to artisan product, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more behind-the-scenes explorations, and leave a comment sharing which part of the process fascinated you the most. Don't stop here. Continue the adventure by watching our next video, where we delve even deeper into the world of luxury leather craftsmanship. Each video brings you closer to understanding the extraordinary effort and dedication that transform raw materials into objects of timeless elegance, inviting you to experience the hidden artistry behind products you might otherwise take for granted. This is more than manufacturing. It's a celebration of skill, nature, and design coming together in a way that only true luxury can achieve.